Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sci-Fi once again, exploring the miracles of science in daily life. Ancient trees are the silent meditators. Each plant is unique in its way. Today I am going to explore the hidden treasures of Shami plant. Scientific name is Prosopis cineraria. In different states, it is known by different names. Also, it is known as the state tree of Rajasthan. It belongs to pea family. It is one of the most common tree species. It is found in India in the dry regions of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh and the tree prefers alluvial soil which consists of sand and clay. It also acts as an effective soil binder. Roots go deep inside the soil, but the growth above the soil is slower. Of khejri are useful. It is known as the kalp vriksha of the desert. It is also known as the king of the desert and also wonder tree. Provides nutritious, highly palatable greens as well as dry fodder for camels, cattle, chinkaras and nagels. Bees not only feed on the nectar of the flower but also build their hives on this tree. Many species of ants and beetles can be seen living on this Shami tree. Also, we can see cicadas singing on this tree in summers, while weaver bird prefer their nest on this. Nitrogen fixing plants and improves the fertility of the soil. Some is nutritive and good to taste. Every tree has its historic background. Would you like to hear the historic background of Shami tree? Of course, I'm going to tell you. It is highly worshipped by Rajasthan Bishnoi community. In 1731, Amrita Devi Bishnoi sacrificed her life to protect khejri trees with 363 other people defending the trees. Do you know the religious background of Shami tree? Well, I'm going to tell you. The green twigs of Shami tree are worshipped in homes on Janmashtami. It is also a symbol of Krishna in some districts of Rajasthan. Lord Rama worshipped this tree before going to fight with Ravan. Even Pandavas worshipped this tree and hid their weapons in it during their Ajnatavas. Since the Vedic period, its wood has been used in yajnas and havans. Its leaves have an auspicious use. It can be soaked in water for bathing, which helps in removing sins and negative energy. This plant is also considered as lucky according to Vastu Shastra. Every plant has its use in Ayurveda. So how can be Shami plant behind? Dry pods known as Marwari Meva, which reduces the thirst of water in summer. The bark of Shami is a rich source of tannin, dye and fibers. Do you know it is used in treating the problems of skin, stomach, eye, bronchitis and asthma and arthritis. The paste of its leaves can be applied on eyes to get relief from irritation. The paste of its bark can be used as a medicine for scorpion sting. It is also used to treat the parasitic worms. Shami plant is often used in afforestation to prevent soil erosion. So friends, Shami tree is a kalp vriksha in real sense. So grow this plant in your surroundings and protect your environment. I hope you like the hidden treasure of this plant. Soon with next episode with 5 another plants. Sci-Fi till then.